Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Fashion Star Go. In today's tutorial, I want to teach you on how to cut a princess cut bustier blouse. Princess cut bustier blouse. I have the measurement already. This is my basic body. That's the front side of it. This is my basic body back. This is the back side of it. This is the basic body sleeve. This is the sleeve. Please, if you don't know how to cut it, go to my channel, click on the basic bodies and watch it to the end so that you not be left out. So now my shoulder, my chest line, my bust line, under bust, this is the waistline, this is my armhole, this is the midpoint of the armhole, which is 4 inches. So I'm going to come down by 1 inch from the midpoint. So I'll come down this way. Remember, it's a princess cut bustier blouse. I'll come up by 1 inch from the bust point. I'll go down by 1 inch. Then I already done my dart, measured the dart. The dart I took 1.5 inches, so I'm going to connect it to the 1 inch under the bust line. I'm connecting the center on. The center that I took 1/2 inch to the end. So I'm going to connect it this way from this 1 inch below the midpoint to the bust point line. So I'm connecting it this way. Then I'll come up by 2 inches from this 1 inch. Why I'm coming up by 2 inches? So that if you are joining the fabric, it will not be very short. If you don't come down, or if you don't go up by 2 inches, if you cut it that way, when you finish joining, it will stop halfway here, to stop here, to not reach this place. So I will connect from here to this place also. So watch how I'm connecting it this way. Remember, it's a princess cut bustier blouse. So that is how I'm connecting it. So I'm going to connect it this way. So it's when you finish joining it, that is when you trim it out. I have a video on how to pad a bustier blouse. So please just go to my channel, click on it and watch. So this is all about the princess cut bustier blouse. If you can cut it like this, you will not have problems. You just carry the pattern, place it on your fabric and cut. So I'm going to cut it out. So I'm cutting it out now. Remember, it's a princess cut bustier blouse. I want to cut out the dart now. If you follow my cutting, you don't have problems. You will not have problems. If you don't understand, watch it over and over again. Please remember to be adding allowance. It's very important so that you not run helter-skelter. So this is it. This is my bustier blouse, princess cut bustier blouse. That is the front side of it. I'm going to cut the back side of it now. This is the back side of it. It's a princess cut Bustier blouse, but this is the back side of it. And I'm using my basic bodies. So for the dart, I'm not going to come down by 1 inch because the 1 inch stuff is done on the front side of it, not at the back. So the back will not really enter inside so deep. If you cut it so deep, you have problems when you are sewing it. So I'll now come out by 1.5 inches. I will not start from here to connect to this place. No, I'll start from here. Don't let it to be too deep. Some people will say, if I don't have this curve ruler, how am I going to do? Just use your free hand. As you can see, it's not deep. So I'm cutting the back side of it now. I've already done the measurement for the back armhole. So I connect it this way. It's when you finish sewing, that's when you cut it out, trim it to the desired seam. So this is the back side of it. The back princess cut. Remember your 2 inches zipper. So I'm going to trim it out now. The difference between the front and the back princess cut is that the front is more deep, while the back is not. So please remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I want to appreciate people that have subscribed to my channel. You are too much. You are wonderful. God bless you. So this is the back side of it, the back princess, that blouse, back princess Bustier blouse. This is the front side, and this is the back side of it. So I'm going to show you the sleeve now. This is the sleeve. You can get the sleeve from my basic bodies. I have a sleeve on the basic body sleeve. So please go to my channel and watch it from the beginning to the end. So this is the normal sleeve that you can use. So please, we have come to the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for believing in me. It's a new channel. Please support me. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much. God bless you. Stay safe. Bye.